Hey there, Brendan Bailey with the MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center. We're here on this beautiful 2018 460 Sundancer. I want to walk you through this boat. It's been one of the biggest hits of the season in 2017, and we anticipate that carrying over this year as well. What a great, magnificent, entertaining platform. And we're going to start back here at the swim platform. First thing you'll notice is this hydraulic swim platform with the extending steps to bridge the gap between the swim platform and the actual cockpit whenever you have the ladder down. As you see the gourmet station back here, the awesome Kenyan grill. You can grill up hamburgers, hot dogs. Go to cookingwithkenyan.com and you can see a whole array of recipes that you can cook on this. Absolutely a chef's dream to cook on something like it. So you'll notice the sink here really makes a cool platform when you're not cooking. A nice spot to set your drinks, entertain, serve food straight down to the water, serve drinks down to the water, and then while you're standing here talking, you have a place to set your drinks, set your margarita machine, whatever you got back here. It'll facilitate it. Let's go into the cockpit. So here we are in the cockpit of the 460. Really a great design. Some great Sea Ray innovation is this sliding seat gives you an additional 16 inches of space here in the cockpit of the boat for entertaining. Nice armrests that flip down, natural teak table, the sure shade that extends out and gives you as much shade as you'd like over this cockpit. And then the adjacent seat here to where you can sit back, have a whole circle of seating and social entertainment back here in the cockpit of the boat. So here we are in the bow entertainment area. You'll notice these nice reclining seats, the backrest kick up, the lumbar support throughout. Really a comfortable sun lounge to sit in. You've got these beautiful windows you can see into the salon and into the cabin of the boat. And then look at the walk-around area, the nice non-skid. It's a great spot to be able to work the anchor if you need to. You've got a lot of room, you're not real cramped. Beautiful polished stainless steel anchor on the bow really sets this off. So here we are in the galley slash salon of the boat. One of the things you'll notice is it's seamless entertainment. Whether you're in the cockpit or you're here in the climate controlled area in the galley or the salon, everybody can sit eye to eye, you can have a conversation and entertain. Look how easy it is to serve from this beautiful L-shaped galley right back into the cockpit. You've got dual fridges here, the nice wine chiller, and this particular boat does have the ice maker option built into the side of the cabinetry here. One of the things you'll notice is this does have the upgraded high gloss cherry wood package in it. Really a beautiful feature. Check out the TV, a nice articulating arm, whether you want to face it forward to be able to watch TV towards the bow of the boat or you want to face it backwards. What a great way to be able to view. We watched the Kentucky Derby sitting in the swim platform and then around the cockpit last year, and what a great entertainment platform when you can flip a TV around either direction. If you want to face backwards, you can do that as well. Step aboard. Let's move right into the salon. Again, very natural flow as we move in here to be able to entertain around this L-shaped sofa, seat 4 or 5 people easily. It does have the high gloss cherry upgraded salon table that raises up and down, make it a coffee table or just a cocktail table or a nice spot to dine if you want to dine inside. Adjacent here on the starboard side is the two-person love sofa. And when you want to bring the sun in, look at the size of this skylight. This is the same skylight that they use on the 590 and the 650 in regards to size. But it really gives you the ability to have that outdoors in feeling with the sun shining down on you, the sliding glass doors slid open. I don't think there's a better way to enjoy a beautiful day like this here in Dallas. As we step into the helm, again, the captain's always with the people on the boat. They're always in the middle of the entertainment as well while they're driving. And that's really a nice feature of these new Sundancers with the helm being inside the salon. This particular boat does have the upgraded Axiom Ray Marine units, latest and greatest from Ray Marine. A lot of functionality, really cool features, a lot of great detail. Rockford Fosgate with zone control stereo, Ray Marine VHF. And one of the most important parts to me, and that I love, is the Cummins docking system. This one has the bow and stern thruster and V-drives on it. Can't ask for a better, more simpler design. If you're operating any boat today, whether it be larger or smaller, with the joystick docking system. It takes the anxiety away and puts you in the slip no matter what kind of wind conditions that you might have. So really a great feature of this boat. So here we are, just stepping down into the living quarters, and you've got this beautiful pantry, which is pretty uncommon for a boat this size to have a separate pantry. Really gives you a lot of space for storage. If you want to put a lot of provisioning on the boat, you can do that. And as we step into the guest head here, you'll notice that you've got a beautiful stand-up shower. And again, I'm 6'5", and I've got a lot of headroom in here. I can really get my arms spread out. You've got space. You don't feel like you're crammed up in here. Look at this beautiful all glass sink with the nice contemporary faucet. A lot of room, beautiful tile. Just a really nice guest head and VIP head here in the V-berth of the boat. So here we are in the V-berth. You'll notice this nice split bed design. These will actually fold together to make one large bed, but really gives you the functionality. If you do have kids or you have a couple that doesn't want to share a bed, you can actually split these apart, and really gives you the functionality to have different guests come aboard your boat. Look at the beautiful headboard back there with the high leather finish there. Beautiful, beautiful. And one of the things you'll notice is we are in a V-berth, and look at the light that's coming through here. This boat does have the wood blinds, but look at the beautiful water lines that you see. Out here you've got a beautiful skylight, and they've really done a great job here in the V-berth to make it feel very spacious. And the headroom, again, I harp on this a lot, but I'm 6'5". Sea Ray's doing a great job of giving guys like me even a lot of headroom. So let's go and check out the master stateroom. So you'll notice here in the master head, it's a lot like the VIP suite. You've got a nice stand-up shower with lots of room, just as tall as what we had over in the VIP suite. Beautiful high gloss cabinetry, white and gray granite countertops. Really gives you that spa-like feeling here in the master head. So here we are in the master suite, really the crown jewel of the Sea Ray Sport Yacht series. When you're talking about one specific room, Sea Ray has knocked it out of the park with this full beam master, lots of lighting, really, really a cool feeling back in here, very rich feeling. Nice walk around full-size bed. It's actually a queen-size bed, but the ability to be able to walk around both sides of it. This particular boat does have the storage cabinet there on the starboard side, so you've got a lot of storage here in this master stateroom, as well as 2 hanging lockers. And check out the entertainment center here. You've got a big flat screen TV, washer and dryer combo unit. It's got the Rockford Fosgate AM/FM sound system, and the Blu-ray Samsung CD player, or DVD player, sorry. So I'm Brendan Bailey with the MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center, and we'd love to have you come out and check out this 2018 460 Sundancer. We're 20 minutes from either DFW or Love Field airports. Come on out, let's get you on board.